Not even gonna entertain anyone's cock that is Ruben out after one blunder, right? Yeah, maybe the results wasn't as amazing, but and yes, it's against Wolves. But why does this draw feel like a loss? Why do this draw feel like it's the end of the world, my bro? Why are you Man United fans like this? And then you get dwankies that put in the comment section domkak. I don't understand. Why is everyone anti-Ruben? The media is pushing this propaganda. The pundits, ex-players, Jamie Carragher wat nog fokol gewen het, talking kak. You get ex-players that didn't win shit that want to give you advice on how to win. That's the world we live in today. But nevertheless, it's disappointing when you come across fans of Man United saying Ruben must go. He's poor. The worst record, post Ferguson. Eish. All the managers post Ferguson, what did they all have in common? What did all of them have in common? They all inherited someone else's team. All of them. And when they played well and we won trophies, that also wasn't enough for this Man United fan base. It wasn't enough. And now, if you compare last season to this half a season we're in at the moment, there's so a moorse difference. Is it just me that see it? I'm starting to see a bit of identity. Don't you guys see it? It blows my mind. It blows my mind. Am I the only person that can see progress? And then you get men that say, he didn't bring the best. He can't bring the best out of Cisco. Look at Cunha. Cunha was, the best player. Who's best player? He comes to us and this is the game Cunha plays. You have a bench that has half of your bench is children, inexperienced players. The rest is a India. India. Yo, who else? Shit. I can't even say because we don't have a bench. What must he do? And I said this to another guy in the comment section. What if Cisco had to finish his chances? Just what if, guys. Let's talk about what ifs. The previous match. What if we had to finish all our chances? In fact, all our previous matches now. This system creates opportunities. It gives you chances. Now, what if we had to finish all those chances? Yo, we would have been sitting on what? 4, 5, 6 goals a game. It really does create a lot of chances. And you always need to wake the fuck up. You need to wake up.